If you're interested in day trading, then you are in the right place. I'm Josh from evatrades.com, and I'm on the road to make $1 million. In this video, I'll be trading my strategy so that you can benefit as well. So let's go down to Studio One and take a look at my progress, and then we'll break down the stocks that are moving today so that we'll be ready to go when the bell rings. Let's do it. And day trading is risky, so use your stop losses. And welcome to the live show. It is Thursday. Down here at Studio One, getting ready to trade this morning. I've already taken a few trades. I feel like I need an applause right there. Like I should put in people clapping and cheering. I think that'd be great. So let's take a look at that progress first. It's we got about 10 minutes till the market opens. I'm in a little early today. I want to get started. So this is my P&L chart. Each candle represents a day of profit or loss in this trading challenge. And my last trading day, I have this day where I had a move up above my daily goal, and then I gave back a little bit more than half. So I got this long upper wick. Now, when I see that on a chart, I think, oh, well, we might be pulling back. Now, this is a little different because I'm not trading against other traders, but there's still the psychology that comes into play here. It's human psychology. That's what trading is. The market is made up of human psychology. So this is my own psychology. And I don't want to get hung up on the fact that I could pull back because I don't want to make that a reality. But at the same time, I want to be aware that it's possible. Any day is possible. So I'm okay if I have a red day today. I'm fine with that. I have traded already today, and so with that in mind, let's go over real quick the trades I took today. BRTX around 5 o'clock was coming up on the gap scan here, or the gap scan, and we had this high of $4 up here, and so then we had pulled back, and I was finally logged into my platform right about this time, and I was like, okay, this looks like equilibrium, high, low, lower, high. So I bought right here for the higher low, anticipating that we'd break out over 4. We didn't, and we came down, and I actually held this down into the VWAP right here, and I added back right here to bring my cost basis down, looking for an immediate bounce. It started to turn around and come back down, so I just got myself out of the trade. It was a $17 loss, so I'm already almost, my daily goal is 20 bucks. Right here on the website, you can see my daily goal is $20. And I'm looking to make $500 to complete phase 1, because then my daily goal jumps up to $50 a day. So every time I complete a phase, my daily goal increases. But right now it's $20. And so I was down 17 bucks and almost, my daily goal only going the wrong direction. And I have my rules here tell me that I can, my max loss is $40. I don't like to do that. But down here, I was looking at, and I don't want to lose track of the time because I want to break down these other stocks, but I was looking at this pivot right here. Actually, it was this one. No, it wasn't that one. I did have that one there, but I was like, this one's more pronounced. It's on the 5-minute. It looks better. And so I was looking at coming down to that, and I bought a little bit early right in here, and I was saying, okay, if this comes down a little bit further after dropping down here, I'll add to it. And of course, if I get stopped out, take a loss, I'm going to probably be at my max loss on the day, and I'll be starting, and I won't be able to trade when the bell rings, and that'll be sad. But I took a chance, and look, we're breaking out here now above 4. But I took a chance on it. It came up, it came down like this, and as we were forming this higher low and started to break out, I was anticipating the higher high, and that's where I added. And I sold up into this push up here, and now all of a sudden I'm up $17 on the stock. So I made $34 on that trade, which was pretty phenomenal. That's huge money. I'm only trading small share size, so it's a big percentage move. All right, so then it makes its breakout here. I'm away from the computer. I come back and I see this breakout, and I'm like, dang, I missed the breakout here above 4. It's pulling back, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy it when it pulls back to $4. It comes back to 4. I get in it right away, and then it flushes down, and I give back all of that, most of that profit, and I'm up only $4.29 on the stock now. talk about frustrating. I was like, man, I was almost at my daily goal. I was going to start the day so close to my daily goal, and then that happened. And so luckily I'm still green on the day. I lost $3 over here on ONCS. I don't remember, somewhere. Oh, I think, oh yeah, I bought it off of this coming down to the VWAP, another VWAP buy, but it started to drop lower, and I just, I got out of it. Because at that point that was when I was red over here, somewhere around here, but I was already red on BRTX, and I was like, no, I'm not going to add to my losses. So I got out of that one, took the small loss. But so right now, starting out, I am up $1.29. So I'm green, but the emotions of trading BRTX now has me kind of skeptical on breakouts on BRTX. So going into the day, I'm going to be careful. I'm going to look for a really quality setup on BRTX if I trade it. You can see we broke above 4, now we're failing again. Back testing this, so maybe, who knows. Okay, so BRTX 5-minute, we had a 5-minute downtrend, but no follow through, and now we're trying to change the trend back to the bulls. We had a 15-minute, looking for a 15-minute higher low. We had oh, jeez, look at this. Even on the 15, I was going to say inside bar, but no, this one broke the last one. This one broke the last one. This one broke the last one on the top and the bottom. So it's an outside bar. So yeah, choppy price action. So what do you say about that? I don't know. We got to wait and get over this consolidation area here. And even then, I'm not sure. So I'm going to be really skeptical on this one. Play it safe. ONCS is bouncing now. BRTX is the leading gapper this morning, by the way. So just keeping that in mind. ONCS, so now bouncing. We have a pivot here, so if it does pull back, I might look to buy at one of those areas. Possibly. It was a 5-minute downtrend, and now we have a trend reversal. You had an equilibrium and a bull break on that equilibrium, looking for a 15-minute lower high, though. Pulled back enough here that we could form a lower high. Anything below 295 is a lower high, so just keeping that in mind. It's an inside bar in the hourly, so we could be seeing an equilibrium shape up on the 15-minute time frame. Looks like the same with CDIO over here. Not really. No, CDIO is more like an hourly. Your high, you got your low. Is this a lower high? Do we pull back from here? Anything above 621 is a higher low. So do we have an equilibrium kind of favoring the bears on CDIO, or do we see a little move higher? Right now we have an inside bar in the 15, so that is an equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. Tightening up. We get the bull break, we'll still be looking for a lower high below 873 on that 15-minute time frame. 5-minute downtrend here, looking for that trend change back to the bulls. So I have a full slate over here on the other monitor. I'm looking at BOIL. Better hurry up, we got less than 2 minutes to go. BOIL, what can you say? Hourly time frame, looks like we have a resistance up here that we broke through. 15-minute, looking healthy, due for consolidation on the 15, pulling back to this previous resistance, now support. Will we bounce from there? Anybody's guess. 1-minute downtrend, 5-minute uptrend, just looking for a higher low on this 5-minute time frame. DM, we have a 5-minute equilibrium with a high, low, lower high, maybe inside bar. This looks like the 15-minute over on CDIO. But light on the volume, cheaper stock. I want to see a lot more volume come in on this one. Would love to see a break above 2. That is it. SPY. Well, SPY is opening lower today, it looks like. We're close to the low of yesterday. I noticed on SPY, do I have time? Could go over it later. SPY had a double bottom, but we are below that now. That weekly, matter of fact, the monthly looks like it's due for consolidation here. Just looks like it. I don't know that it's going to happen. We're definitely, bears are in control right now in the overall market. So keeping that in mind, 15 seconds till the market opens. Good luck today. I hope your trading day goes well. I know for me, I'm going to be very cautious going into it. So now we're open. So ONCS already coming back to that. All right, so I'm going to watch candle ranges. Okay, look at CDIO. CDIO looking for that higher low on the 15-minute time frame. Might take a trade on that one. It's possible. SPY is bouncing. Nope. CDIO is starting to fail now. Let's see what happens here with BRTX. I want to see that VWAP hold. SPY is pulling back a little, but okay, we'll give BRTX a chance to break above 4. Really having a hard time. I'm getting out, taking a small loss on it. I think that puts me red on the day by 74 cents. Yeah, ONCS. I'm going to try ONCS instead. Still looking for that 15-minute lower high. And after seeing that, I'm deciding to get back out of ONCS there. Okay, I'm not being picky enough. So I'm taking my losses. I'm going to sit back. I just realized I'm kind of trading kind of like a Wild West show here. Gunslinger style. I think we're going to break above 4 on BRTX, but man, I'm just not timing my trades right. So yeah, I'm going to wait. And the reason why I got back out of ONCS is because I was looking at the 15-minute time frame. I'm like, oh yeah, that's right. We're just looking for a lower high. So, and that could be it. So I want to look for a better setup than that. See, Neo is popping up on the scanner. Good old Neo coming along to save the day. Or not. So remembering on CDIO, I'm looking for a higher low somewhere above 621. That's way down here. I don't know why Neo popped up on the scan. It's not hitting any new highs. Not really. There's a support down here at 347 on BRTX. Well, feeling fortunate that I'm not down more than I am after that crazy trading I did there. ALIT is making a move. 20 cents. Come over here, take a look. I hope I was over here when I was, or over on the other screen when I was trading a little bit ago. Let's see, that candle range is 10 cents. Gonna have a new 5-minute candle. I was thinking about jumping in this, but we're gonna have a new 5-minute candle. So we could see it open and pull back. I know we have 950 here. Let's wait for something a little better. Yeah, I don't know if I was over here, but if I wasn't over here when I was trading, I apologize. But I traded BRTX right in this area, and then I traded ONCS right here. Look at this. What do we got? My stop's a little tight there. Yep, should have bought the pullback. So I'm buying the dip there. I don't have time to change my stop loss. I'm going to take the profit right there so I can get green on the stock. I'll buy another dip on it, flatten it there again. Now I'm going to change my stop loss. Okay, so now I'm going to wait for a little pullback maybe. I'll jump in it. Well, that was higher than I wanted to get in it. Coming up to resistance there. I should have sold. Oh, look at look at ONCS now. We have that resistance on CDIO. I could say we're just looking for a lower high on that 5-minute time frame. Boy, I wonder if we're going to break through 8 here. There's the resistance check at 8 o'clock. So, okay. Yeah, kind of fooballed that one, but at least I got out of ONCS before it dropped. Okay, so CDIO doing its thing here. So we got that hourly. That's what it was. See, we got that hourly pullback. It didn't pull back very far. We were looking for a higher low. So I need to actually, I want to widen out my stop loss parameter a little more to like $1. There's a breakthrough 8. Okay, so now I'm going to get in here maybe a couple of times. Look at that 15-minute time frame. Okay. See if we get a move to 850. I'm going to sell half of my position right there. I was going to, but it did not let me. Let's try that again if it makes another move up here. Okay, I'm going to sell half of it right there. Okay, and then it's coming back down. That's okay. So what I'm doing is I'm playing the long-term time frame, playing the 15-minute. I'm looking for an hourly breakout. All right, I'm in ONCS with my stop loss down at the low. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of CDIO there in case it pulls back more. I can always add back again. Oh, I'll take my profit right there on ONCS while I can. So I am green on the day now. I'll buy a dip there. Probably gonna pull back more, isn't it? Nope. CDIO. I was trying to buy the dip off the VWAP, but it pulled back too much. Let's see here. If I were to join the bid down here by the VWAP, see 283, that's not bad. I'll get in at 283. Inside bar, inside bar. If it pulls back to the VWAP, I'll look to add down around 274 with another order. RIVN on the scan. I haven't really been paying attention to my scanners. RIVN. Oh, so close to getting filled there, and I didn't get filled. Okay, so what I'm looking for here on ONCS is a 1 minute higher low. And I was hoping that it would pull back and fill my order here, my limit order to buy. So I could add to my position, bring my my cost basis down. It's going to need to break out here pretty quick because that 5 minute candle is going to close in another minute and a half. And I don't want it to close red like that because if it does, I'll probably get out. I just don't like the look of that. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it there. I know I probably should have held it. But I was red again on the day, so oh, look at that. I don't trust anything today. I don't trust anything at all that I'm seeing. RIVN, looking for a higher low on that. I could buy this. Should I? And anticipating a higher low and a breakthrough 1580. There's going to be a new 5-minute candle coming up. I'm going to go ahead and just take that profit right now with that new 5-minute candle coming up. Well, you know, second thought, let's try it here. See if it breaks through 1580. Third thought, no, let's get back out. Flip-flopping back and forth. Can't make up my mind. The reason why is because, you know, this could end up being an equilibrium. Getting in up here, you know, being in down here, that's cool. But getting in up here, yeah, this is an equilibrium. It'll pull back and then I can get in on the pullback. If it's not, it'll break out without me. Oh, well. I'd rather leave money on the table than to give back my profits. So that's a mistake I'm willing to live with. So should I buy the dip on this now? I put a limit order in to join the bid. I'm looking for a bounce off of 1580 continuation. Sometimes these work, sometimes they don't. I'm also in CDI or ONCS over here. Selling it for a quick profit. I don't trust it. This one here, I'm going to give it a chance to work for me. I see we could make a move up to $16. We are actually against the resistance though right now. So I'm going to take the profit right at that resistance. That resistance is here on the hourly time frame. So yeah, CDIO with that pullback, and then that started to break out. Just bought it for quick profit. I wasn't looking for a lot there. Up $7.11. So I'm at my daily high. Well, higher. I'm not as high. Pre-market I was up 17, but ALIT over here now. So what do we have? We have BRTX. Inside bar on the hourly. It's pulling back. Oh, look at that. It's coming up against the VWAP. That's not a very good trade. No. Let's get out of that. Dang it. Well, I don't know. Second thought. I think it has potential here. I'm looking up towards the high a day. I guess it was, you know, it was a somewhat good trade. Let's see if it flushes down here. Fills my order right there. Now, can we get the breakthrough 4? I'm going to sell it there. I still don't trust it. Up 947, so I'm halfway to my daily goal in there. It did break. Look at that, but not much. Not for long. Maybe it'll hold up here. And RIVN did manage to break through that resistance, and it's holding. And BRTX now dropping. I kept seeing this pre-market. It would break through a resistance and then drop back down. I don't want to have this happen again. You know, that was a big loss. So, looks like CDIO is really giving it up here. RIVN, I'm going to buy that for the breakthrough 16. Ooh, a lot of sellers on the ask. I don't know. There's the break. This is risky. I'm buying this at the high. This is so risky. With all those long upper wicks, and I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna buy this one again. We're holding 16. Might have missed my chance to sell. I'm looking for something quick. Maybe. There we go. Not bad, not bad. And look at ONCS here, what it did. See, it did break and hit that resistance and then failing again. So those leading gappers not doing so well, but we do have something going here with RIVN. I think if RIVN pulls back again, I think I'll try to get in it and hold it maybe for a little bit. So what time is it? Okay, I've got about 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna have to stop trading. Let's see, what does Neo look like? Oh, look at that. Okay, so Neo's at $8 stock right now. 15-cent candle range, 9 cents, 10 cents. This should do it. So here's that pullback on RIVN that I might be looking for. Right there, I'm jumping in it. Off of that previous resistance, now support. I don't know that I want. Oh, I was gonna say I don't know that I want to hold it. And I was looking at Neo also. I was thinking about taking a trade off of that level on Neo. Chasing it. Really shouldn't have chased that, but I'm in it now. So basically, if I would have just held that entry that I took down here, I'd probably be at my daily goal right now. I'm looking for a break on Neo here. A lot of buy orders on the bid. There's the break. Can we get a little more? Just small profits. 17.33, so I'm back to $17. How about that? Yeah, any one of these two here, if I just held them, I'd be at my daily goal right now. And holding is something I really want to work on. It's something I've always had a problem with. I mean, certainly my strategy works for me, but I do want to improve it. Right now, my numbers show that I have plenty of room for improvement. I want to make $20 a day, right? That's my goal. And right now my average is $13 a day. That's what I'm averaging, and it's slowly climbing. I base it on a point system, 0.52. My average right now is 0.69. I want to get to a 1. A 1 would equal the $20. So you can look at that as a percentage. 69% is what I'm at right now. I want to get to 100% of my daily goal. So it's a work in progress. It's something I want to practice in the simulator. I don't really want to practice it too much live. Now, looking for maybe an equilibrium. You got to be careful. It could be the start of a 1-minute downtrend. So $16 maybe is a good spot to buy. I could wait. I could try to get in on a pullback, or I could wait till we break through 1609 and over 1615 would be my target to sell. So do I want to play aggressive and anticipate a higher low and jump in early, or do I want to wait for the breakout and then play that instead? Of course, there's a risk both ways. A breakout could fail and then come back down. SI. So Neo. Pulling back a little further. So I'm glad I didn't hold Neo. I mean, I got out right up. I was in and out right up in this area. SI. Coming up to 850. If I had an order in there to buy, is it going to break through 850? I just really don't want to jump in it way up there. Oh no, I took a loss on that. It's a good thing I got out, I guess, when I did. Look at it coming down now. So, yep, bought the top of that one. Small loss, still up 16.35. So, I don't know here on RIVN if we're going to bounce from this level. This is a nice higher low, so you get your high. Well, let's actually here. Well, no. So, you get your high, and you got your low. You got your lower high, and your maybe a higher low here. This could be a bear flag also. And with SI is pulling back, Neo's pulling back. I don't know what SPY is doing. SPY is pulling back. 5 minute, looking for a 5-minute uptrend on SPY. So everybody's kind of pulling back now. And I've got only a few more minutes left in the trading day here, and I'm going to have to stop. Nice bounce potential here. Double bottom off of 1591. I'm not going to do it. If everybody was bouncing right now, I might try it, but there's a little bit of bouncing happening. Is SI going to be the death of me here? Let's find out. I want to see a little more than that. Let's get back up to 850. Can it give me just a little more? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so looking for the bull break here of this equilibrium. Could hold it, but I didn't really want to. In case we reject off 1609. Oh, man. I wish I would have held that. SI. What am I sitting at? I'm up 1928 on the day. BILI on the scan now. No, I'm gonna get back in. Cancel. I was like, cancel, man. I don't want to be in that. So if we break over, if RIVN can break over 1611, I might be willing to take another stab at it. Really glad I canceled my order over here. That would have probably had me giving back half of my daily profit. Wow, look at RIVN. I'm going to give that a shot. Can we get the breakthrough 1615? There it is, folks. There it is. And I am above my daily goal. Yes. Yes. Here I thought I might end up having a red day. And right when I'm supposed to stop trading, I have to be done right at 7 o'clock because I have to go see the doctor. I'm going to have a baby. No, I'm kidding. So what am I sitting at today? Let's look at that one more time. $22.01. Come over here. So $22.01. Voila, there is my P&L chart. So I'm going to finish up at my highs. Okay, so I can go over here and on this. So my low of day was $17 less, so about $3.80 roughly. So there I have a long lower wick on my chart now. So that was my low of day pre-market, and then finished at my highs. So that's really sweet. All right, this is going to be a fun trade review. I took a lot of trades today. How many trades? 84 fills. So it's going to take me a while to do that one. Yeah, stay tuned for the trading review. I don't know if you watched the review videos, but I put out videos that review the trades that I took for the day, so that you don't have to watch the whole entire video, because these videos are long. But if you watch the trade reviews, they're only 5-6 minutes long, you know. So I'll be putting out one for today. It'll probably come out tomorrow. So I hope you had a good trading day today, and I hope you have a good rest of your trading day. Let's take a look here one more time. And Neo breaking out. Very nice. Bull flag here on RIVN. So looking like continuation is probably likely on RIVN. Neo, little pullback here. You could buy that for anticipating a break through the high. And yeah, looking pretty good. So, all right. Well, I'm out of here. You take care. We will see you tomorrow, Friday, for our last trading day of the week. I hope your first day of March was going. Oh no, this is my first day of March. Yours was probably yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday. All right, take care. Bye bye.